Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll be reviewing Zeely AI app. So I'll be discussing about all the promising instant websites, marketing tools, and sale boosts. But is it legit? So let's find out in this video. So Zeely Mobile first design makes it crazy simple. It chooses a business type, enter your information, and boom, your website is live. It's tailored for non-tech users, but advanced users might find it a bit limiting. So design options are not that bad. They have clean templates, AI-generated content, and all auto-generated Instagram ads. But customization is basic. Think plug and play, which is great for speed, but not so much for control. So it gives you SEO basics, titles, and keywords and mega tags, but don't expect deep optimization. What stands out it is auto marketing tools. So if we talk about pricing, the app is free to start. But serious features like branded domains and ad tools are behind a paywall, which monthly plan which ranges from around $15 to $39 depending on the plan you choose, which is fair if you are actually getting leads or sales from it. Now, in this review website on Trustpilot, which I have opened right now, you can clearly see the reviews of people which they have given. And it has a general grade review out of 5. It has got 4.2, which is pretty fair to my opinion if you ask me. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you in getting a review on Zeely AI app. Thank you so much for watching.